So again, we want to thank Dr. Osari for opening us up and blessing us and making sure that our ancestors are with us. We're happy that you again arrived safely. We are praying that more African airlines can get on board so that we can have the airlines owned 100% by Africans flying us home. And we know that day is coming because we are the one that's going to make it happen. And all we have to do is keep the faith, and the faith will keep us. Before we get started, as always, we like to call on our brothers from the other side to also officially welcome him and let him say a few words before we officially get started. I met this brother when he first came to Ghana bringing groups. He ran into some difficulties. Can you hear me in the back?
Yes, sir.
But I told him, I said, Bumani, you're not heavy, you're my brother. And I will be with you during these conferences because this is what I believe in. And he said, Dahveed, I know you're getting ready to retire and get more money. I said, Bumani, whether I retire with $1 billion, I work for my people and there's no price that you can put on that. So I'm never going to stop working. Because money don't make me, I make money.
That's right.
I'm not materialistic, I'm realistic. I came to Africa at the beautiful age of 33. And I've been here this year, make 30 years.
Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Excellent. 10 years since we've known each other.
10 years. And Bumani loves to beat me up. He don't beat me down, he beat me up. So I keep rising. But let's bring Bumani up to say a few words.
Hi, greetings family, everybody. Thank you for your time and energy and on making it here to Ghana to take in this wonderful information and to connect with a panel of our people that's going to really get you clear on when we talk about repatriation and investments, especially here in Ghana. And the best people to really give you that information, I've always talked to Dahveed, is that the people who are active in that lifestyle. My good sister, Dr. Sharita here, as we go way back from Atlanta when we first traveled to Ghana with us.
Second time around.
The second time around in 2007. So many people that we have known for 8 to 10 years, and these relationships has lasted and stand the test of time. And these are the people that we want to connect everyone with. That way, if you decide to make a move to live, do business in Ghana or anything like that, you have the proper people to reach out to that's going to have your best interest. So that's where we came up with the Repatriation Investment Conference. So we decided to do two. One at the beginning to really just give you information to really let you process, especially while we're driving around the country, so you can process that information and kind of just look and see where or what you can set up or do. So family, just take everything in and just ask a lot of questions and want to make sure you get all the right information and enjoy the energy of what we have for you. And Dahveed, appreciate your energy, brother.
Okay.
Appreciate the teamwork and all the work we do, and it has made a great difference to a lot of people, especially all the people that you have helped moved over. Since I'm in America, I can't really do certain things for them. You take care of this. I appreciate you, brother. Appreciate all the work you do. Dr. Osari, right here. All right, so family, let's take it in, and I'll connect back with you.
All right. Okay, so briefly what we're going to do, we're going to let everyone introduce yourself so that we do it real fast. So we want to know everybody and everybody can know everybody so we don't be strangers. So starting here, would you please stand and just tell us your name and,
My name is Roberto. I'm a marine engineer, but now in farming. I'm a advocate. Then I'm farming.
Very good. Thank you. Yes, my brother.
I'm Dr. Godfrey Hope. I'm a consultant.
Yes, my sister.
I'm Lady Buckley. I lived in the U.S. for 20 years. I came back home about 10 years ago. And I've known Kumani and I'm on my side for some time now. So I'm just going to hear what's being offered.
Okay, my sister.
Hi, I'm Edith Vanderpool, and I'm here from the Virgin Islands of the U.S.
Very good. Oh, Sass.
I'm Sister Sass. Sass is for Sharon Ann Smith. Calligraphy by Sass. A mobile global mastermind ministry. Church without walls. Authentic self-expression as I am. I'm delighted to be back in Ghana. I brought my calligraphy, my gift, to share at the appropriate time with all of you to take back home with you, for real though. And Brother Dahveed, I'm so glad to be with you. He mentioned a word, family, then I'll take my seat, about a poem that he wrote from being realistic, not materialistic.
Right.
I brought that one back with me. Just for you. Thank you very much.
Yes. Very good. All right, the next person, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm Freeman, working with Minister of Food and Agriculture, but expert in cashew. Actually, the regional coordinator for cashew program.
Very good.
My name is Peter Dam. I'm a farmer. 1999 National Cashew Best Farmer.
All right, don't be shy.
Hi, good evening. My name is Wendy Charles. I'm from the U.S. Virgin Islands. I majored in radio broadcasting, and this is my first time in Ghana. And I just wanted to see how I would be able to contribute to the media aspect of Ghana. So I just wanted to meet some people who are in media and so forth.
Very good. Continue.
Hi, I'm Kim Patrick from Atlanta, Georgia. And this is my first time here in Ghana. I'm an attorney back in Atlanta, and so I'm really interested in seeing what you all have to offer.
Fantastic.
I'm Adrian Patrick. This is my wife, Kim. We met at law school. And I've been criminal defense working. I'm a litigator, represent people on murder case, rape case. All my clients are innocent. So I've been doing it for 22 years, since 1994. Never worked for anybody, just worked for myself.
Continue.
Good evening. I'm Tracy Patterson from Seattle. I'm here to learn. Thank you.
Great. Welcome.
Sultan Mohammed. This is my maiden voyage, and I'm here to discover the ham that I am.
Great.
Denise Mohammed, and I'm from Georgia. First time visit.
Great. Welcome.
I'm Urban Fury from USA, state of Alabama. My second time here. I was here last year, and I enjoyed myself so much until I started coming again.
Someone from Ghana, one really of president. I've been with the man for several times today. First time to bring to
Hello, my name is Ronald Majid. I come from Jonesboro, Georgia, USA. I'm semi-retired. My profession is mainframe system programming. This is my first time here, and I come to learn, to see, to see country, to see Ghana, to see what it's all about, and it's something that I can contribute. Thank you.
Michael Davis, here from the city of Seattle. This is my second time here. 2014 was my first time. Loved it so much, decided to come back again.
Very good.
Working normally under David almost 9 years.
Very good. All right. Okay, we come to the front here. Is everybody okay?
Hello, my name is Dawn Mills. I'm from Philadelphia. I'm a respiratory therapist, and I came to see what I have to offer Ghana and learn how to repatriate. All right, thanks.
Okay, my name is Kola Brima. I've been a banker for 20 years. And I resigned from the banking industry about 7 years ago. I now actually run my own co-owner managed wellness facility, Life Wellness Center. I'm a naturopath, energy healer, and actually I'm also a motivational speaker. I actually try to let our people understand who they are, come to appreciate their history, and God in them. That's my life. Very good.
Hi, I'm Nadia Gale, and I'm from America. I came to Ghana in January, and I loved it so much I stayed. Denver, Colorado, by way of Chicago. And I am a licensed massage therapist, craniosacral therapist, energy healer.
Hi, my name is Kwikwando Bafo. I'm a public relations consultant. I also work on events, and I'm very passionate about Africa. I've been very privileged to live many different parts of Africa. I've also lived in the US, so I've seen where you're running away from.
Hello everyone, my name is Tiffany Coleman. I'm from Decatur, Georgia, and I'm an attorney and own my own bankruptcy and tax law firm. And this is my husband, Cartrell, and just interested in learning about the business opportunities that are available here in Ghana.
Great. Hi, I'm Cartrell. I'm from Decatur, visual artist, and happy to be here.
Good evening, family. My name is Carmela Zion. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. This is my first time here in Ghana, and I'm here to learn what I can.
Hi, I'm Dahveed. I'm from Massachusetts. My first time in Ghana, and I echo the rest of the same. I'm just here to learn.
Great.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ken Davis. I came with my brother just to get a closer view of what our ancestors are all about and to get a more better view of Ghana.
Hi, my name is Teresa Pearson. I'm traveling from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm really I'm really excited because I'm definitely considering repatriating.
Great.
So I'm Lazura Sassi David. I'm here from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm a community organizer specialized in community development. And it's my first time here. I want to have my whole soul experience to kind of go back in order to restore that which was lost.
Great.
My name is Enoch, a friend of Bomani. My name is Ricky Glenn. I'm from Seattle. I came here to get away from the killing in America, to buy me some land, to get away from it.
My name is Annie Green, and I'm from Seattle also. This is my son, Ricky. I came because he was interested in moving, and I want to make sure when he moves that I know where he is. And then, also, it was my first time to be able to come to Africa, so it was a great opportunity to be able to come with my son if he was good. So I'm here to learn and to find out, to make sure that my son sees what he sees.
Hi, I'm Sharma Charles. I'm a Grenadian living in Toronto, Canada. I work in the audiology field, and this has been a lifelong dream of mine to step on the soil of Africa. I'm happy to be here.
Welcome, brother and sister. I'm Gladys. I'm definitely from Cameroon. And I've been living in Ghana for so many years. So I'm asking all of you to come and join me. Thank you for coming.
came through for the rice jollof. So, but nah, it's been a journey like about 3 years in the making. So hopefully one day I get some of my people that live in Georgia to, give them an actual real home.
Yeah.
Away from just the West.
Yeah.
And all the evils that consist of it. So that's my goal. So hopefully we see how that goes.
That's what's up.
My name is John Strong.
Oh, you returned. Good.
South Florida.
Yeah.
Where you from?
Very good. Okay. Great. Hakika?
All right, good evening, everyone. I am Denzel Walker for the current moment. I'm currently living in Atlanta, but I classify myself as a man of the world. If I get into my story, you'll be like, oh man, this guy's a liar. It is truly true. In fact, they either call me a liar or say, man, this guy's crazy. No one could possibly have lived like that. In fact, I had a man today say, man, you must be some type of lunatic. I said, no, I got VA records to prove that I'm not. Clinically, I am sane. I consider myself a man of the world. I've been to Africa before, a place called Dahveed, not in this type of capacity I'm in now. I love the capacity I'm in now versus what I was doing in East Africa. I'm happy to be here. I'm glad God has allowed me to get this far, because in my current field, when people made it, or they were able to walk away, we would say, there was a little joke me and my buddy would say, if somebody made it, we'd say, well, damn, God was with me. So I figured God was with me, I made it this far. And you guys are trying to get people to laugh.
All right, thank you, brother. Thank you very much.
Another thing you'll realize about me, I'm long-winded, I talk a lot.
Okay. Okay, we'll take, okay, you the last one.
Hey everybody, my name is Hakika Salim Okugo. I'm originally from Washington, D.C., but I've been living here for the past 20 years in myself. And I hope you all come and join us here, because we need you, we need your strength and your skills and your love and your passion to help build Mother Africa. Thank you.
Okay, so we'll introduce our two brothers over here, and then we'll start the show. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Last one.